Welcome to Mbombela Fanatics, and I'm your host Limbo Mohale. Today I'm in Ganyamazana Stadium to witness the MFC clash between Kruger United and the Bees and Mpumalanga MFC derby. A game of choosing concluded the scoreline of 2-2. I'm joined by friend Lakona Lele Mpumalanga Letankisan, Niamate Pejin, Dunayami. Congratulations nawe silibonile iqembu lisukile la behleli khona ku ABC Mutsipe yakhona le Mpumalanga mara namhla sithe kutobungatha khona li celebrate nalo iqembu lakhona la ekhaya iKruger United who have qualified automatic qualification to iBetway Premiership. Uyibone njani game?
Ngibeyihle kakhulu ene ongijabulisayo ukuthi nema friends yabona nema friends labuye eNkomazi nema friends labuye ngala ithula mahasha so sidile sonke la simphakathi wasembombela nesihlekelo ukuthi so supporta lama team ethu lokuhle kakhulu ukuthi ama team ethu ayadlala ene ukukhombisa wona ukuthi khona le talent. Yes, uyayibona iKruger United ukuthi itakhona itanayo le from the build up yaphambili kusho wona ukuthi uyabonga la PSL.
Enduna yami ngikubude nje bese ngayikhuluma lena iqembu lisungulwe 2024 nawe nduna yami phambi kwakho lana wena establish 2023 ku inspire nganani nawe inenetankisana ukuthi basebenzele phambili njengoba iqembu balisungule phambi kwakho ABC Mutsipe ngiyalobuka ABC Mutsipe Championship Betway Premiership next season. Nduna yami kutela njani maqembu akhona la ekhaya asempumalanga la gijima khona ukuthi angahle nawo afike ku Betway Premiership?
Ngiyakhombisa khona uma ukukhumbula kahle nyana sesinathuma team la PSL sine-TS Galaxy leli side ngale Witbank yangale sinelicembu lelinye lisuka la kaNyamazane leli basirepresenta kahle Mpumalanga yonke so ku-inspiring ngoba kukhombisa kona ukuthi nawubuka iABC Mutsipe ama-team maningi alasuka la kithi AC Mutsipe sesibuka khona nabo Gusty Stars kwanyalo lithu li-Bullgrade uyayibona
and ebuka nduna yami ngembi kokuthi sithinze leyo for the past 2 seasons whoever has gone to represent Mpumalanga to national playoffs AMFC have gone to gain promotion nduna yami kucinzetela kanganani lalo iqembu lokuthi lingagain promotion sithinta kweliqembu lelithule brigade
asinayo incinzele bathini icinzetelo ngisho njalo we are very confident that we will have another team lengenako kulo national first division 100% guaranteed ukuthi tongena so angisho ukuthi kutoba simple but angiyiboni pressure lengaka ukuthi singahluleka kungena from the competition that we have. Yakhombisa kubanyalo singenile siKruger United singenile kuPSL ukhombisa kona ukuthi lama team ethu la are exposed to too much games la national level.
Bonga kakhulu nduna yami isikhathi sakho.
Bonga mina kakhulu.